Islam's teachings are so inherently peaceful that those who strive to follow them can never even contemplate any act of evil or inciting deviance. Furthermore, based on our teachings, history, and practice, we affirm that the Ahmadiyya Muslim community has always stood at the forefront of striving for peace in the world. Our history demonstrates that we have consistently upheld the rights of all people, irrespective of their faith or beliefs. This is not because we have deviated from Islam. Rather, it is because we follow Islam. Our religion teaches us that the worship and prayers of Muslims who disregard the rights of other people are worthless and displeasing to God.